I am so excited to be telling you all about these custom fit leather car seat covers for 2019 to 2024 Subaru Foresters. You have to check these out. These completely update and elevate the look of your car's interior. This is a simple and straightforward installation job. This can be done alone, but it doesn't hurt to have an extra set of hands. Each seat comes in two pieces. You have the bottom and the back here, as well as the headrest covers. The instructions are very detailed. It's a very simple process. The most time-consuming part of the installation is removing the back row bottom bench, but once that's off, you just attach all those straps and reinstall it, and that part is over.
To give you an idea of what I was starting with, it was cracked leather, stained upholstery, and it just needed to be updated. The first part of the process is putting the seat back on the front seats. So I started that by removing the headrests, pulling those over. There is a zipper on the back side of this to open it up and make it just a little bit easier to slide down. You'll then press the fabric through the crack seam at the bottom of the seat, pull that back. They are labeled, which makes it very helpful. And you'll just do the same thing with the bottom. You'll press that fabric through the bottom and the back, and you'll be able to wrap the straps around the bottom of the seat, and the same thing goes for the seat back. I'll give you a different angle here to give you an idea. You can see once I pull everything tight, it gets real snug. And there are straps on the bottom that you will string through and tighten. And then there are hooks on the bottom of the back that let that get tight on there. And then you will repeat the process with the other front seat, making sure you just fit around all of those holes in the upholstery. After you've removed your seat bench from the back seat, you can see there's a series of straps on the bottom, and those are secured and tightened, and then you will put the bench back in. The trickiest part is just making sure those seat belts are pulled through the holes in the back and that you clip everything on the brackets. But once you've got that done, you're ready to move on to the seat backs in the back seat. These were really straightforward again. There is a strip of Velcro at the bottom of these to secure to that fabric that you're going to press through there. And once that is pulled tight, it gives it a really nice fit on your seat back. I'm just pulling all of that fabric through, making sure it's nice and taut and that the Velcro is holding it down. And then from there, you're ready to attach the covers to the headrest and install those. There's even one for the center console and your front seat, a little leather cover for that. But again, it's the same process with the other seat back. You'll just make sure all of those accessories are accessible. All of the cushion, all of the fabric is pulled really tight so that it looks really nice and feels great. Last thing is those headrests, and then you're done.
These leather seat covers are airbag compatible, they are waterproof, and they are going to be so easy to clean.
I think the greatest feature of these is just how easy they are to clean and maintain. Simply wiping clean is going to keep them looking brand new.
These aren't just covering the fronts of your seats, they are also covering the back sides, and the front seats do have pockets on the back for your back seat passengers. So if you're looking to update your 2019 to 2024 Subaru Forester with amazing leather seats, these are the custom fit seat covers that I recommend. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps.